Negasngi man ko kasngi wasa kan mo yagi pajba ka thain namdong hewa o menteri rangba ka jala o konrat sangma chirup wa o menteri ka chnat tourism usnga bahalang dhar dailang wa o MLA ka juai o wailat miki shela debu umu yurim ki yaki kampen roy ha ka thain kini ki kampen roy kan thup ya ka Namdong C&RD Block wa pengku kerdan ya ka Namdong PHC cha ka CHC ka creator mukhnang lumrod water supply scheme ka wasupon klur wa ichna penmiat ya usarok jawai nar tiang kediap khanduli JNKK road uwajrong san phokunde point khende san kilometer ha ilut wasopau klur wa ikre usdangi hokmai chonglan uwailat miki shela de ikubleu ya ukonrad wada penyo ya keni ka CNRD Block wedaman u menteri rangba walai chawarok ki kedong ki chmiang gejela wa ura ya ki kampenroy de ro ule ya usnga bahalang dhar wada kre chitom wa wanra ya keni ka blog chaini nei bha de em keni ka yung kre kam da pensuk ka chibun wa yo kilat yarap wa e ka sarkar da ong wa bun ki bru wa benya ka sarkar tang wa em kam le wa yero hawa kre ya ki kam ni liang usnga bahalang dhar wa man le MLA ka thain da ongu wada slem wa mud wa pungku kerdan ya ka PHC tang wa nei daw ka klam covid khat khande ta pensange no ye ni ongu wa ki bru da ongi kani to ka block election tang wa da penche wa kani to ka yung kre kam ka wo ne chirta kani ka block u kun thup ko ye ki so phau to li ki chnong da ongu wa ka nartiang constituency man ko ka wan nang kong ne bha ki bru da man ki wa snya tho ye ni we mto ki wa ngai ye ki wa cha pen bi hadrong i cha pen bat da ongu wa ka sarkar ka wa kre em ba ki wa percha mto kam ka sarkar ka wom em kre da ongu wa bun ki wa kalam wa ka TMC klan ko harilom karo tang wa ki pajba to utim wa ka TMC to ka kongres hi we ki pajba man ki kat ni ki wa jojngai chuchu da ongu wa ka nartiang constituency man ko ka wanang kongdo wa yo umdi hawaro ki chnong neliang u konrat sangma hawe ye kalam da ongu wa da ude sngaw kmen wa yo wa ya ka Namdong C&RD Block wa kiwi dei kerkhu ublai de kubleu yo sngaw bahalang dhar wada kre chitom wa wanra ya ki kampen roy ha po ka constituency liang wanang chu da ongu wa ka sarkar MDA da wanra ko chiboni kala wad ha perdi wa em ka klam covid khat khande da khana wa ka sarkar jela jo em go hei kerdan wa arpau nyaw na ki jela tang wakat ni de kre chitom ka sarkar ko wakat ni du ha po le sus nem de ku go che wa ar na ki jela da ongu wa ka jela da yakun ko amdu ha kari tang wa wat chabari he wa ka jela da job ko ha ka yakob wa penman da ka United Nations he ya to wa ka governance u konrad da ongu le wa ka sarkar da penman ko ya ka North East Olympic Games he wa da man ko ka wa job ne bha waro ki wa chimbenta da yero ki ye pen kre ye ka ni ka lampung chu da ongu wa iwai ya ki block wa ki subdivision to yo wanra ya i chakri chajan yong ki pajba Hakayalang hakani gasngi da samle iki konsniang wagis air kroilar chaki warep ka thain lang ba ka scheme progress kiwi ki wakalam hakani gasngi to UDC ka West Giant Hills UBS so liya wada ye kentin pdiang sngaw ha u he chnong ka Namdong B udamian war u project director ka district UPK Boro wada penpho ye gani gasngi de wai wai chan
ye go mangani gasi to ko buram ko sa jingken mo ke history yang ni ka thain Handai yusuk yotu nari wangwan, bagi perlok lenai lawa le ekmen langgu pi perlok Namdong ni kat kamu yo kublai cibun, kini to ke teamwork, kini to manggo is a collectively responsibility. Hawe to wakamu ni kemen lang ngaju yo, hawe mi program catain dan cita jalan yang mulung wajar, warok perlok yang her gina wak ni. Nen kat kamu apa yang ni cukui keman, warok wan gil nen pendap ini to, kini mem kawan. Emig ni kemen lang di sang suk lang upik perlok lawa keni man gato ke tim suak lene ke kemen lang hagi wan menta go ba sao tho ei boy em na perdi yong ikat tu kani ni ba senong kedong bon ko sao tho bakala ba kayi kita ke blok nonggi dalam jo ke bi upat em ni ki ar li si go komen na Facebook lampo bakala em gi group ko komen songi keni to ke blok election nonggi to try election ra ma sa ba kana kwa khana bi ku pusau to what is the meaning of block development Entah udah cenai gam tu bukri gam tu man ke vidarai ga chwa ajar kini cirta unai ga hari ke chong go maya ga yopi. Ham sao thu bakla gam te ora. Bon sen jo ngo wan waklam di tip kipai bar khai go. Haw waklam di wan sao ba waklam di em ke jing sao thu ga yopi. Kenau lai kipai bar bur khai ben kat ka man ga ni worok pai bar start tip luki. Ham pen be ye go start. Dan toy wan mesin wasi go start to go pen be ye go be. Ngau ngai pi ka man ga ni ka kon si yo nga ham bu jo underestimate ga. Konten sigur penjok wan listen ban bom yo gabi. Konten sigur am ka buram go khut ki go wan mar tieng win number la man go number 1. Hanai ayo su go wang. Wagi go klam dang pen be. Hanai go sao thu kim ju bab ki. Nai tai daw. Jong go start. Utau klam mum nru pria bijar khay kiu kad we mu mon dei chut pelam kiu nyon don hiu. Sir, thank you so much. We know that in spite of so many challenges you have been facing for the last few years, but always I keep praising you. Our Chief Minister is one of the best Chief Ministers in the state of Meghalaya. You have done so many developments which is uncountable in numbers. You have sanctioned so many schemes, especially in road sector, in power sector, in water sector, in health sector, and so many extra. But that's why we need the Chief Minister who really seen the need of the peoples of the days. Ngau ongi pi ada jo yu bi yang social media ko man gumi man kasi. Jo bun ko nga ila masa bhag ni sarkar bun ba ko protes kana. Ngau ongi bi doi video ni ki sarkar ko kre to em ko protes kar ko sarkar ko thia si dei ko alam yo ka protes. Ngau jo ma kongres ka ma khat sandali gisnam. Ci pau sunam kau MLA sandali gisnam kau parliament. Ham bukan peri sarkar kau relek ni MDA government ni waduk susnam stand ni la. Kat kau man kaninya annual calculation. Approximately, not exactly. Kanir ni sarkar ko relay susnam pramanai. Ko cek development average development man lagin rupa di kondosi minimum 102 crore 120 crore ke development hap ko man ni kondosi. Ke sarkar kom jo jadi ke position ko jo ay napang. Ngau ala bi kenno hai ni porwadat cibadara lamayong gi tulop nang hikai. Cibadara lamayong gi school building. Cibadara lamayong gi road sector. Ngau kana du halai ka cek do ni. Hausne marjar khat suru arja ka fra. Ngamal di por partly ga kudu minister lesnam duna. Hang tu ko por hai ta road organization. Sarkar ongkres kamun rus pak khat 2 kilometer approximately lego. Kau gradation ha sansnam. Karu ka sarkar yang iyan hapor ka covid lai kam khan rus pak kilometer tam hapor ka challenges ko chem gijai. How ito mo ka new construction ng road. Hati por lai kam khan rus pak kilometer hawa anen ni ka fresh road. Kar ka man ka ni susam kan armai lai tam 1000 kilometer. Ila imkra iman kita worok development kan ki. Ngau kana bi anti pa por fly na jerong. Pa usiam sepo. Jargat pa area mor thut. Ang samba what is this? What road is this? Wato orang dep cenaya ka mo DN ki narteng nong po. Ang kamun cenong kedong kad kiti ki surok yo ngom mewa aim to ngawain. Sir, I told them while we're flying today. You asked me, Dahar, what is that new road? See? I told, sir, you are the one who give it, not me. It's me who asked you, but you are the one who blessed me. Ang siyam da kamu ni project yo cenong kedong tok inu grip hi abi por. Ang daw lai te rom dami. Kejal juang mission ay paro chimkti kam ke sarkar. Tang silang bam connected ya household connection. Kad ka man ani dunan rulak yung dia tayung pa ko mahayung raman kan ni. Jan wara chika tu sarkar ba udoy kitin klem kam. nong rep. Only MDA government would the book by mankasem sam spa klur nei bentagi nong rep. Dan orang yang mentol begitu kesan najar ke fokus skim jongi. Jom ke sarkar ko bu kamu tu skim orang jom.
In a matter of 3.5-4 years, from a rank of 27, today we are ranked number 2 in the country. When it came to MG&RDGS, our state government was spending merely about 500-600 crores a year under MG&RDGS. Within a matter of 4 years, from 500 crores, today we are spending over 1,500 crores under MG&RDGS scheme. Triple times the overall increase in the budget and expenditure of MG&RDGS. When we took over, there were only 4,000 houses in the whole state in rural areas which had water supply scheme. Today, in a matter of 2 years, we have been able to increase those numbers from 4,000 today to 2.5 lakh households. And because of the hard work of the PHE department and its engineers and officials, Meghalaya today is one of the best performing states in the JJM mission. In the IT mission, not only at the national level, but even at the international level, Meghalaya competed with countries like China, Singapore, London, that is UK, and yet we were able to defeat big nations and win the coveted UN prize of e-governance as one of the best e-governance projects in the world. When it came to entrepreneurship, this government has given key importance to entrepreneurships and to small businesses. And because of the work we did in the last 4 years, Meghalaya was given the award from Government of India as having one of the best startup ecosystems in the entire country. Friends, the reason I'm telling you this is not to give you a list of all the awards that we have been given. But I am trying to tell you that something is happening in Meghalaya. That there is a change. That the things that people in the past thought could not be possible has been made possible because of this government. We hosted the Northeast Olympics. Nobody expected that Meghalaya could host an Olympic Games or Northeast Olympics like this. But we did. And today, any of the athletes who participated will tell you that this was one of the best games that they have ever participated in. Friends, these things don't happen just by luck. These happen because there is a vision. This happens because we have goals. This happens because we are committed. This happens because we are sincere. This happens because we are working hard. This happens because we have a team. And last 4.5 years, in spite of 2 years of COVID, Meghalaya has seen dramatic change in many of these sectors. And hence, it gives me immense pleasure today to take a step forward and ensure that our friends and our citizens in rural areas also are able to get the benefit that other areas are getting. Blocks are the most important units of economic development in the rural areas. 70 to 80% of development works happen through blocks. And hence, having blocks in rural and very secluded areas is very crucial so that accessibility is there for the farmers and the people. In a lot of areas, our people have to travel for 2 hours, 3 hours to reach to the closest block, because of which the kind of development that they should get, they are not getting. And hence this government has decided that we will take administration closer to the people. We will ensure that we make accessibility even more possible for our people. And that is the reason why today a number of C&RD blocks are being inaugurated. And let me again reiterate, this is not a foundation stone for a block. The BDO is in front of you. The block office is functional as of today. We are inaugurating the block office, not just laying foundation. And that is the big difference in the way that we have worked.